welcome to the channel. If it fits, it rips. Doing the install for the Cyclone LED. We're going to put these underneath here and here, and we're going to wire it up to the SPOD. We're going to take out this. What I've been hearing on the forums, G forums, you really don't need this. It's easier to wash. I'll be filming the install on these LEDs, and also if you have any questions or anything as far as this install or the video or anything on the channel, please leave a comment, and if you do like the video, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom here. And again, hopefully you can have any comments, questions, concerns, let us know, and we'll go from there. All right, I ran the one wire down through there. I'm not using braided, I'm using solid 14 gauge wire. Just taped up with electrical tape. And as you go through here, and then right there is a bevel. You're gonna have to pull this back a little and bend it so you can get your wire through. So that's what I'm doing there. I have the wire and I have it pigtailed out, and I'm gonna connect that up here with the SPOD. Of course, I'm going to zip tie everything here, but I'm going to mount one right there and mount one right there. I've got 14 gauge wire, not threaded, but solid wire. So what I'm using is just electrical tape, and I'm going to braid this. Make it real simple and real easy. Just locked it up to the vise. I'll get the camera straight for you guys. Sorry. We'll go from there. And I've already ran the one wire, pigtailed out, and get your light on for you. So I already have that one. Just got to install it, have it wired up and taped up and going through here. And I'm just going to go through that hole right there and bring it up, pigtail it out, and take it down to the SPOD down here and pigtail that. All right. This is nighttime. The LEDs are very bright. You can see the entire engine bay. Fantastic lights. Have the hook up to the SPOD on the switch. Looks great. Hope this helps for everybody. And if you have any questions or comments, please hit the like button. And any comments, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. Later.